How do you think about raising the industry and also obviously creating your own benefits on the SaaS revenue that you can generate from ABC and everybody wins?
I would attribute this back to the pandemic. In all sincerity, I've always embraced a member first mindset. So it has never been about necessarily elevating ABC's revenues or even to a certain extent our customers, but more about if we treat and are motivated to treat our customers' members the right way, then we're all going to benefit through that improved experience. And in the context of improving retention, improving engagement, it's really around the personalization of what's important to that individual member. It's helping these club operators understand how they can more effectively leverage it to garner better, more curated, more personalized insights about their members is, to me, the greatest opportunity that we have as an industry, where the member first mindset is only going to yield benefit for all that are in the proverbial food chain, if you will.
Want to listen to the full interview? Go to Apple, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever you consume podcasts.